Hey, what's going on, traders? So I want to go over my trades with you guys so that you see my thought process. But today it's a Monday, the markets just opened. When I came in this morning, this candle had closed and we were on this second one here. So I was looking at this. We are at this. We failed to break this previous highs here, and we had a reaction before. So that means that's a strong level that's holding. So that was my thought process. I'm thinking this is a strong level, and well, look what happened at the strong level. We got a bearish, heavily momentum there. So I was looking at that. I was definitely looking to sell gold. Once I have these biased traders from my 4 hours, once I have my biased, um I will move on to, I will lower my time frame to 1 hour. I will move to 1 hour time frame. And on one time frame, what I see is that I already marked my level here, this level, because it's a strong level that we reacted from. And look at what my 1 hour is giving me. This is why trading with confluence is really powerful. Now we had this push move. Now in an uptrend, a market will make higher highs and higher lows and break those highs and make new higher highs. Now look what happened here. After that, it's supposed to make a lower low and then break the previous high, but we failed to break the previous high. And this is, we already know at the back of our mind that this is a strong level from the 4 hours, hence we're looking to sell. So it broke there. Let me bring this cursor. I'm doing this on my phone because it's easier. I can do this on the go. That's what I love about trading. Wherever you are, is you're working, man. Okay, so it failed to break the high. Had an exhaustion, because in any uptrend market it must push, exhaust, push, exhaust, push, exhaust. So it pushed, exhaust, pushed, exhaust, but now it failed to push, which confirming that that's a strong level. But after it failed, look at that, we had a bullish candle, and immediately after that we had a bear candle. Now this tells me that definitely the bears are in control. So when I came in this morning, I marked this level here. I didn't take gold, by the way. It just didn't meet what I was looking for in terms of my patterns, but yeah, it was a good trade. So it broke that. So I was expecting gold to come back, retest these levels, because remember we had just broken, so it must retest. I was waiting for gold to, so it broke that level, the previous the structure that it created here. It broke that, and I was expecting to come back and confirm that level, that this is a strong level, and then we can sell. So I was looking to take my sales around here, and just as you can see, it never came back to my level. Oh wow, so that was gold. But I did take 2 trades. They're still running, I think now. Euro USD. Yeah. I've already moved my stop loss to some profits on this trade, so I'm really not worried here. I'm just looking to see what's gonna happen. But it was a great analysis. When I came in this morning with Euro USD, let's clear the charts. Okay, that's gonna take us ages. Let's clear the charts. There we go. So when I came in this morning, we were here. We closed, the market structure is bearish, meaning we're going down, and any market structure, we identify a bearish structure is that we're gonna push up, we're gonna push down, create a level. So it's been violating structures. So I was expecting it to. So when I come here, I look at my bias and I'm like, we're going down. I move into my 1 hour to confirm this, because I want confluence. I want to see how we're really moving down. Now the market came, created a bit, it broke previous level here. Sorry, I keep doing this with my hand. I forget, you guys don't see what I'm talking about. But yeah, we broke the previous level here, bearish momentum, came back, failed to break up, exhaust, but we didn't make a newer low, went back for a double top, and then we made a lower low, and definitely we were heading down. So when I saw this, I moved to my 15 minutes to look for my patterns. Now my patterns are really simple. In a downtrend, I need a market to exhaust to give me then a lower high, and then it can give me that push. So this is what I was looking at here, traders. In fact, I think I should move, and as you can see, this thing is tanking. Now there's really nothing magical that I'm doing here. I'm just reading market structure. Now this is going to be a good trade. I have my take profits down at these lows here. If you can see that, I'm not sure if it's going to get there, but I'll just keep trailing it, and if we don't get there, we just don't get there. What we need to understand is the market doesn't owe us anything. It doesn't have to do anything. We just need to anticipate the market, and whoever can read what the market is presenting to us then becomes a consistent trader. And that's just what I'm doing here, traders. I'm just reading the behavior of the market. Go to my 4 hours, identify that this market is going down. Go to my 1 hour, and then I identify that. So these were my patterns here that I was looking for in 15 minutes. And as you can see, once it comes back to my level here, what I was looking for, because I'm a very, very patient trader. Now when it comes to these trade levels here, what I'm looking for, it's 2 weak rejections, or a weak rejection and a bearish engulfing candle, this black candle here. And again, I'll do a video for you guys about the candles, so because that's all I'm doing really. As you can see, there's no Fibonacci's here, there's no trend lines and all that. All these are just me working on the chart really. So that's really, really impressive if you can read what the market is saying. And as you can see, it's breaking this. If it breaks these lows here, then we're definitely going down. I might add another position there but don't try that at home. So now, yeah, I was looking for these 2 weak rejections here, and as you can see, we had 2 weak rejections. And even if I didn't take a if you didn't take a trade there, if you're more of a patient trader, you want to see that bearish momentum, then you could have easily taken a trade here. And this thing has been tanking all morning. So that is Euro USD. That was my thought process. And then moving on to GU, that's another one that I took. Now GU and Euro USD are beautiful pairs. They move almost the same to me, and you're gonna see what I'm talking about here. So what we had on a Monday, on last week Friday, I mean on GU, it pushed down, violated these levels here. Let me put a box there so you guys can see. It violated these previous levels here. So what I was expecting to see is definitely coming down. Yeah, in a macroscope, because my 4 hours is where I check my trend. This is my overview, my bird's eye. I need to see what's happening from the larger time frame, and then I move down to look for my entry, an earlier entry, if that makes sense to you. So it violated these previous highs. I was expecting it to come back and retest. It didn't, but this morning I saw it had given me a very strong engulfing candle to the downside, just like it did on the Euro USD. So it gave me that. So I was definitely expecting it to break these previous highs to then give me a lower low, because in any market structure, in any market that is falling, the market will push down, come back for a lower high, to then push down and violate. This is very important. It needs to close below the previous structure. Then we know that this baby is going down. So that's what I was looking for here, traders. Let's clear that. I love the markets, man. I love the markets. So I was expecting something like that, and as you can see, that's what we're heading to. So here I only come to look for my bias. When I come into the morning, into the markets, I go to my 4 hours to look, what am I doing today? Am I buying or am I selling? Once I have my bias, which in this case it was a sell because we're making lower lows and lower highs. Once I have my bias, I move down to my 1 hour time frame. Now I have this at the back of my mind. I'm only looking to sell. So I'm not going to lose here looking for a buy, because I'm not looking for a buy. I'm looking for a sell. Now when I get to my 1 hour, I'm looking for confluence to confirm what I'm seeing on my 4 hours. We have a push face and an exhaustion and another push face. This one here. So when I move down, I zoom closer. I zoom closer because I already have my bias. I zoom closer to look for more confirmation. The market made a double top here, and anyone that's been trading, well, not anyone, because 99% of traders lose money. I don't know what's the number now, because man, trading has been a journey. So when the market makes a double top, I'm looking for that bearish momentum to the downside to confirm that, okay, this is a strong level that we created here. Came back to confirm it. It's a strong level. It's holding. That bearish momentum, it's confirming what my 4 hours is telling me, that, dude, we are going down. And in any market that is going down, the market is going to push, exhaust, create a lower high, and then push face again, and most importantly, violating our previous structure here. And that's exactly what the market did. I expected the market to come back here, and when it did that, I moved down to my, you guessed it, 15 minutes to look for my patterns. Now on 15 minutes, I'm looking for the market to push, come back, give me a weak rejection or bullish momentum. Now in this case here, because I was a bit busy today, I had a meeting with my team, so I took it here. I took it here at the break of this previous week here, because I was still here when I left the house, so I didn't want to lose this trade, and it was definitely going to change. Oh, it looks like it's going up back now. But in any market that's going down, we needed to push, exhaust, create a higher high, that higher high there, that lower high, and I needed to push again and then come back to then create that lower low. So that might be what the market is doing now. If not, then I am already in small profit in this trade.